March the 16th, we had a major trial set in Virginia Beach, a cold case from 14 years ago. We had 70 witnesses from across the country flying in.
That trial and more than 150 other cases defense attorney James Broccoletti was working on paused due to the pandemic.
There's no talk at all of having any jury trials anytime in the near future.
The wheels of justice, he says, are moving slower than ever before. Only emergency cases have been heard over the past 2 months, bond hearings, protective orders, and juvenile matters.
Is it going to be like, the Indianapolis 500, gentlemen, start your engines, and it's just like a mad dash? How do you restart? How do you decide which cases go first?
Attorneys can file orders with the court, but right now, he says, that doesn't do much good.
The families have been very patient, but at the same time traumatized by the fact that we just can't get things done.
He's taking on very few new clients due to the legal limbo, and the ones he currently works for are hard to meet with if they're behind bars.
In the past, we have rights to have actual contact visits where there's no separation between us. So you can sign things, you can show videos.
Once the court starts hearing cases, he says he's concerned about the new courtroom dynamic.
If your witness wears a mask, is that confronting your accuser? If a juror wears a mask, how are you able to pick a juror? How do you sit next to a client? How do you talk to a client when you're supposed to have 6 feet of social distancing?
For a list of how courts are operating here in Hampton Roads and what you need to be aware of before entering the courtroom, head to our website, WTKR.com. In Norfolk, Chelsea Donovan, News 3.